Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to make a quick fish curry. So I've got some lovely fresh curry leaves to use. It's so great if you can find these in the supermarket or grocers. They smell divine. Just get some curry leaves, they really make a difference to your curry. If not, that's fine, you can still make a really tasty dish. So the base of the curry, I'm going to add some chopped onions. I'm going to finely dice some onions up, and then I'm going to do the same for my garlic and my ginger. If you have a food processor or a blender that you can add the onions, garlic and ginger so it makes a paste, you can do that. So I'm also going to add some cumin seeds, which adds a lovely bite of flavour for the fish. So I have some tempering spices that I'm going to put in oil to flavour the oil. So I've got some black mustard seeds, some chili flakes, but if you've got fresh chili, use fresh chili. And then I've got the curry leaves as well. So these are all my aromatics. My other ingredients are, I'm going to use some tomato puree and some coconut milk. So the curry is going to be coconut based, and some turmeric in there as well. So to start, take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and place that into your saucepan and let that melt gently. When the oil has all melted, then you add in your aromatics, and they'll be lovely and sizzly when they touch that oil. So you can cook this for about 30 seconds or so. It doesn't need too long because you don't want it to burn. Keep stirring it in the pan and it will smell lovely and aromatic. Next, I'm going to add in my onions, my cumin seeds, my garlic and my ginger, and give that all a good mix. The next ingredient is the tomato puree. The tomato puree needs to cook down a bit in the oil and the other spices. So let that kind of cook for about 7 to 8 minutes or so, constantly while you're stirring the pan so nothing sticks to the bottom. As you can see, the tomato puree is lovely and cooked well with the spices. Everything smells great. Making this fish curry is all about layering up your spices and your ingredients. And so the next thing that goes in will be some turmeric, so add a lovely yellow colour to it, and a little dash of water as well. So season with salt and then add in your coconut milk. I use about a whole tin of coconut milk for about 2 large portions of fish or 4 smaller portions of fish. So kind of pour all of that in and gently mix it all together. So cover and let the sauce cook for about 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to add in our fish pieces. So I'm using cod fillets here. You can use monkfish, you can use any types of white firm fish, or even prawns would go really well with this recipe. So gently place the fish into the sauce, and this will only cook for a couple of minutes. Put the lid on, take off the heat, and it will cook while it's in the sauce. As you can see, the fish is almost poached and steamed to perfection. Put the sauce over the fish and you can serve this up. Now, I love serving this recipe with some rice, or we even have cauliflower rice, which is really easy to make and also a great option if you don't want to eat rice. Or even some steamed greens on the side. It's lovely and aromatic, a really light, delicious dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more.